Happy Friday, everyone. Are we ready for this day? We're ready for this day. It's gonna be great. Okay, getting everything sorted. Okay. Cool. I forgot to press something. What did I think? Hey, Monte, what's up? How you doing? Silver Bullet Trader. Okay, it worked. True Trader. Sorry. Hey, only true. Did you hear that random thing? I'm so sorry. Sir Bill, what's up? How's it going? Are we ready for I'm so sorry, that was so weird and random. Okay. Well, it worked, so that's cool. Done. Sorry, I have to do like 50,000 things, but it looks like it's working. Hey Daddy Stocks, how's it going? Nick, how are you? How goes it, Nick? Are we all ready for today? So what's super disappointing, why is it disappointing? Shoot, I deleted it. The trade I had set up yesterday actually would have been a win. It would have been a scary win, but it would have eventually got there. But I see yesterday afternoon didn't do... Oh, no. There we go. Maybe if I just put things back up where they should be. Anyways. I see New York afternoon was pretty rubbish. Who traded yesterday afternoon? Yeah, cool. Jet. I like Jet. Cool. Okay, so now delete these. Got London high here. Is New York high. Judges. Oh, it's like, why do I feel like I'm squinting to do things? That this would be why. What? Hey David, what's up? I have no clean bias today, so I'm gonna sit out London session and wait for New York. Do you think there's going to be a clean bias today with NFP later? Hey High Live. Hey David. Again, huge shout out to David for the dono. Are we all good to go? I think we're good to go. Hey Karma, what's up? NFP should be the volatility needed. I love NFP. Damn, only true trader. I know a lot of people that would argue with you on that one. Just saying, they would definitely, of course. Of course, this is like... getting really sick and tired of entering on the low, but it's okay. Level to level. We have Asia high here now. Sorry, just marking everything, getting ready for this. Big high, cool. And Asia low. Damn, actually. Asia session didn't have terrible movement. To be fair, it hasn't been having terrible movement. Okay, until never mind. Until there. Okay, now we can zoom in. We can start to focus. I'll go check out the higher time frames now as well. We've got 3 a.m. opening price. And now, let's do this. My music, Gen X, what's up? How's it going? We are trading the Nasdaq futures. Hi, sorry. I was focusing on the charts. Now I can quickly focus on the chat. We're trading Nasdaq futures. How's everyone doing? Oh, I'm so sorry. Okay, wait. David deserves fireworks. Here we go. Your milk money. There we go. Here we go. Here's fireworks for David for the donation. Shout out to David. Mad love. Sploosh. Did you not hear it went cha-ching? No? It went cha-ching. Who's on the horizontal? Do you guys want to attempt the nice thing? 25625 is your target below. Mgu, what's up? Sorry, I'm catching up on everything I missed. Making a face during New York, don't worry, I got you. Ashton? Hi. How's it going? Wait, okay. Diamante is Diamante. Sorry, 25625. Okay, so you think it's gonna go sweep Asia lows, basically, right? Okay, this is we got a Diamante level. Awesome. We have some relative equal highs here. Oh, hey, LP. Scared me, but anyways. Are you on the horizontal, David, or are you on the vertical? Which one are you on? Or did you swap to the horizontal? No! Thanks, Silver Bullet Trader. Thanks for letting me know. Maybe it's done. 25705. Oh, LP, you're gonna look for a short when it reaches that level. Is that what you're saying? Go, you think it's gonna be a good update? Yeah, I don't know, but sometime. Valid. For crying out loud. Okay. Why does it hate me? No. I don't know why it hates me. Okay. There we go. Okay. Okay. Let's start focusing. Let's start focusing. Let's check out the higher time frame. I'm so bummed. I've been trying to sort it out and it's still not working. frustrating. Anyways, 5 minutes. Let's check out these levels. Let's hide this so I don't blind you guys. Okay, 15 minutes. Oh damn. Okay, yeah, LP, this is a really good level. Sorry, I'm pulling a face because this looks... Geordie's not here. Geordie's not here. No one tell Geordie. I'm curious. I'm always curious about these things, but it's okay. No one tell Geordie. Moving on. I'm on the 1 hour. Let's check out the 4 hour. Okay, so on the 15 minute, it looks great. Let's see what we get. Okay, let's unhide this. I mean, this wouldn't be terrible. This wouldn't be terrible. Hey, views? No. Little Boo? Yeah, sure, that's what it is. Mike the Goat? Where's Mike the Goat at? Did I miss his message? I don't see Mike the Goat. Where's Mike the Goat at? Oh, right there. I'm so sorry. What's up, Mike the Goat? How's it going? Sorry. Sorry, backup account. How you doing, by the way? I haven't had my coffee yet. Maybe, you know, maybe let's start. Ah, there it goes. So I had it around here. I think I might want to come get this imbalance, but nope, wouldn't have tagged me and that would have been rather disappointing, but it's fine. Headed for these relative equal highs. Was I calling it relative equal lows earlier? Damn, I really do need coffee. Hey Atlas, what's up? Just got off work. Nice. Flight Trades Jam, I'm from South Africa. I am. And Knight's NFP today we're going nowhere until news break. Yeah, it'll be fine. Don't try to short it until later today. Why do you say that, Mgum? Don't like where that. Let's see if maybe this was the place to be. I mean, we have plenty of time for plenty of opportunities to come around. So there might be some decent things coming up. Let's wait and see. But anyways, is everyone ready for the weekend? Thanks, David. Thanks. Noted. Oh wait, then I don't need this. I saw it worked for two things. Ow, man, my elbow. Sorry, moving on. Seriously. Okay, this is also seriously. I gotta remember to just Nike, right? Just Nike. Oh, by the way, guys, don't forget this afternoon, well, afternoon my time, New York session. Only True Trader is joining the stream. It's gonna be fun. At this, what am I trading? I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. Hi. Amit. Hello. How goes it? And Laura, hi, how's the trading been? Haven't spoken to you in a while. Good morning to everyone, / good evening / middle of the night. How's it going? Yeah, good. Only good. What's up, Shane? There's only, hey, Dark Wizard. How are you? How's everyone's trading been going? How's 2026 started? I know it's quite a random question, but yeah, how's it all been? I want to say how's it been hanging, but that sounds weird. Hey, Kendless, what's up? How you doing? Guys, please don't forget to like the stream. Let's get this 2026 going. This is frustrating to see how it would have perfectly tagged in. This would have been the setup. Sugar honey iced tea. I would have paid the duck there and moved to break even. So this would have been a safe trade. I mean, just do it, right? Patience does pay though. Patience does pay. It still hasn't taken out this high above. Damn, this actually would have been a really good trade. Let's see, it definitely is in a resistance zone though. Nasdaq, why so broader market? Why not something specific? Oh, interesting, Atlas. What do you trade? Ah, Candace, you know what? I can't complain. Can't complain. Always good. And it's not boiling hot here for a change, so that's nice. Actually, it was raining this morning. Nice little change of pace. But yeah, Atlas, what do you trade? What's your asset of choice? That sounds a bit weird, but you know what I mean. Done. Commodities and currencies. Okay, and why commodities and currencies, Atlas? What about you, Kendless? Am I saying that correct? I feel like I'm not saying that correctly. I'm sorry if I'm not. Or what drew you to the commodities and currencies? Let's rather ask that. I feel like that's a bit of a better question. Oh, interesting. Well, I really like Breaking Benjamin, so I'm definitely gonna have to have a look at that, David. I'm into... Hey, Mazwi. You're into FX and my asset of choice is euro dollar. The euro dollar? That's interesting. I don't know, I mean... No, I lie. A lot of people like to trade the euro USD. That's nice. Well, like I said, so I do the Nasdaq futures, I think, just because when I was introduced to trading, this is the one my friend suggested. and it has the micros. So as a beginner, you don't want to blow through your capital, obviously, not ideal. So you don't want to blow through your capital. And so this was the, I want to say the safer way of starting. And then I kind of said I want to get good at one asset before I start jumping around. I have had a look at gold, but it feels very foreign to me. Does that make sense? I feel like I understand, well, no one can understand the Nasdaq. It's a bit of a diva, but I think I'm used to the Nasdaq now. Like I said, I think once I get to the next level, I'll be able to start pushing it a little bit more, and I'll be able to then maybe start looking more into the gold and the silver, because I've heard they've been going really well, and a little bit more of the different assets. Hey, brightest future. Oh, thank you. Are you going back to sleep now, or are you done with work or going to work? Good grief. How long have I been trading? So I've been trading since, well, I can say now, since last year, April. So not even a year. So I still have, yeah, still got some learning to do. The best way I can describe where I'm at right now is, how do I put this? I feel like I'm 2 steps forward, 1 step back. But we are progressing. Does that make sense? I am by. Oh, okay, brightest future. But thanks for hopping in. Don't forget to press that little like button, please. Innocent. I'm just gonna call you Innocent. What up, Innocent? Ahem? Ahem what? Hey, full strength, what's up? Hey, yo, Rip, what's up? How's it going? Long night at the card room, early day start in a few hours. Brighter future, I'm pretty sure I've asked you this question, and I'm pretty sure you've answered me, so I'm so sorry, but you make money from it, right? That's why you're professional? Correct? Yes? No? Maybe? Like, are you sponsored? Stick to Nasdaq, making money is more important than thingy. It's just for interesting. Candace, yeah? A niche, you only need one. Candace, how long have you been trading for? It'll probably range for NFP, so don't expect anything from London. No, we've got this. Innocent what? What's up? You make me nervous by saying, Oh, flagrantly obtuse. I hope I said that right. What's the chart we're looking at? We're looking at the Nasdaq futures. Welcome, by the way. To anyone that's new, 7 years. Okay, good. Well, to anyone that's new, here we go. Wait. Whoop, whoop. Welcome. Welcome to the chaos. Okay, so this would have been a little bit more of a break even, a little bit of profits, but yeah, trades. So that, yeah. But yeah, welcome to everyone that's new. This is very chaotic. Welcome to the journey. I try and be as open and honest about everything. So if you have any questions, please feel free. I will openly and honestly tell you anything. It's why I have my P&L and my balance of my account up for everyone to see, so that there's no questioning of where I'm at or how much, or, you know, any of those things. But most of my years have been total chaos. Do you do this full time, Kendless? Or not really? There's a heart button. It's not a normal like button. Someone professional, maybe me. JJ, what you talking about? Your chart is showing resistance and bears. Oh yeah, heavy resistance. Heavy resistance. I just thought I wanted to potentially take out these relative equal highs. I mean, it took out the first portion of it, and now it's dropped down. could potentially go back to take the second portion before a proper short. Oh, nope, never mind. I take it back. Or do I take it back? Let's see, on the 15-minute chart, there's a really nice inverse fair value gap at around, was it that 705? Yeah, 705 level. So just above these relative equal highs, there's a really nice inverse fair value gap that I thought I wanted to potentially tap into or rebalance, if you will, and then drop down to the sell side. Yes, I'm a cash game player. There are recreational players and pros. Pros don't gamble. We play the odds. Interesting. Do you have like, so brightest future? Sorry, I'm genuinely super curious about, sorry, I know you probably have to go to sleep. Are you like sponsored and stuff? Rip, please, I need some, well, I have coffee here, but I could do with another one. I can tell I'm gonna need a lot today. It sucks, I don't know where to start counting. Ngu, I hear you. I have the same problem. Full time and I'm pivoting to real estate too now. Trading can be nice. Everyone need a new hobby. I mean, Candace, that's valid. Where are you from, Candace? David, you've got iced coffee, lucky. Hey, is it Levi or Levi? Look, I'm gonna assume Levi. Do I trade? I do trade. I trade live for everyone to see, and I want to say judge. Hey, okay, would have taken me out break even before going back down, and now we are just kind of going sideways, but I lie? Here we go. Clearly the buyers really want to be in control right now. Like you said, Rip, it's really slow to the sell side and then a huge push up to the buy side. Well, for now. Damn, maybe I should have taken that trade. Ugh, woulda, shoulda, coulda. It wasn't an A+ setup. Don't do it. Patience pays. Let's not do silly billy things so early in the morning. Hey Samuel, what's up? As Windwar, hi, sorry. Hey Ryan, what's up? To start the frappuccino. Levi, how much money did I make today? Nothing today. I haven't placed a trade yet today. Yesterday I was up $400 and then I unfortunately had a loss, so I ended at like let's say $250 I was up. Which I know it's a lot, but it's not that much in the grand scheme of things, but it's decent. Hey Bear again, what's up? I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. So sorry, Bronco, no, not Nvidia. Full time Pretoria North. Oh, nice. So I came from Pretoria, Candace, but now I'm in KZN side. Captain Crunch, what the up? Atlas low resistance. What a plus. Hope you're having a good day. Oh, Spizzlet, you want to know what an A+ setup is for me? Sure, I will find. Let me go to London session yesterday where there was a little bit better volume in the market. Cisco, here was my little loss, unfortunately. Oh well. Here we go. Like I said, I had a really good session during London yesterday. So the A+ setup looked like this. Sweet and simply, I use a GAN box. Sorry, I'm gonna go very quick through this. Hope that's fine. Okay. So, sweet and simply, it's market auction theory. So the 50% of the range is my entry. So the A plus setup, I need at least 3 confluences. This is where ICT and SMC kind of come into play. I need 3 confluences from them. So number 1, I need a fair value gap. It's almost as a protection level for my stop loss. You can see the stop loss is at the 0.2 and take profit is 2R below, or 2.6 depending on how you draw it. But with this, I had the fair value gap. I had what I like to call shelves. I know it has a better specific name, and on the higher time frame there was a bit of an order block that was a protection for this. And obviously, trend is friend. We had a change of character here and then a break of structure, so I was like, cool, let's do this. For me, that was an A plus setup, so I took it. I could be wrong. If I'm not mistaken, sorry, this VWAP moves. I think the VWAP was also above here, so that was another confluence. So I think there was a grand total of nearly 5 confluences for this, so I was like, cool, happy chappy, this is a goodie. Damn, let's see, this would have been a loss. Here we go. Sorry, like I said, that was a very quick run through. I hope I answered a little bit of your questions there. Oh, thanks, Innocent. Where did you learn trading university? I was like, no. No, definitely not trading university. What? That's hilarious, Kendall. That's so funny. Yeah, actually, I recently moved down to KZN. What, like 6 months ago? No? Yeah, around there, 6 months ago. But otherwise, I was Pretoria my whole life. And now KZN. Well, that's cool. Okay, I've missed a lot of... I'm so sorry. I've missed a lot. In an EF short, TP1 already looks like a full T... Oh! Only true trader. What? So much for I'm not going to check anything. Oh shoot, I see it took the equal highs on ES. Could you stop, please? Thanks. Okay. Only true. Whoop whoop, by the way. That is amazing. Well done. So... Oh, Bronco, what time frame am I using? I feel like I've missed a lot. I'm so sorry, but I'm on the 1 minute currently. I do get confirmation from the 15, 1 hour, and 4 hour. Brightest future tournament players are sponsored. It's difficult to crack the high stakes and get sponsored. I can make anywhere from 0 to 3,000 a week. Damn, brightest future? Okay then. That's freaking cool. Bizlet, you're welcome. Hey Jose, what's up? The grind similar to trading, lots of swings. That's brightest future. I mean, that's valid, right? That's really, really valid. It makes sense. There again, you're Colorado side. That's really cool. Flowers to your bird. There we go. That's a big activity. Why not go now on upward movement? What, you mean enter on the upward? Do you think it might be going back to a short? Is that what you are saying? And again, I would need... Yeah, so with this is not an A plus setup for me. And it tapped back into opening price. So here's the 3 AM open. I mean, maybe it works out, but it's not A plus for me. This could also go back up solidly. Damn, okay, ES is a lot stronger. Well, was a lot stronger than NQ today. Do I know about Fibonacci? Levi, I do know about Fibonacci, yes. Hey Tyson, what's up? Do you trade around the clock or you execute on specific times? Oh, Candace, so I basically trade London and New York session. My mouse, but I took it. Oopsie daisies, okay. Hello from Phoenix, Arizona. What's up, Dallas? That's so cool. How goes it there? Forex Pit, hi. Berrigan, you're short on the gold? Oh, MGC. Yeah, okay. Micro gold. I don't usually trade London session. Ooh, why did you decide to? Did your setup just show? See, that would have hit my stop loss. That would have sucked. Oh, if ES didn't look so bearish, I would have said this looks really good. ES really looks like it wants to take out the sell side though. Sorry, let me just check out here. Do I Nike? Do I not Nike? Yes, your trend lines are merging to the positive. Left on high, it looks bearish across the market, so could expect a possible sell-off today, but candles up. Yeah, Tyson, I think we're all kind of waiting for... Oh, Happy New Year, Tyson, by the way. So, no, mostly just the open candles, yeah. The guy that is truck driver. Oh, Dallas, I remember! Welcome, how's it going? I really hate when ES and NQ look so different. Okay. Could have a really small risk with this one, but wait for new pin. Where was as long as my stop was 75. No. Demonte, you lied. That sucks. Ah, thanks, Jogo. Appreciate it. Then went right back to my entry at 90. Demonte, that's so rude. Cup and handle is starting. Atlas. I'm not great at recognizing cup and handle. I'm not even gonna lie. It's the same with bear flags. I sometimes think I see them, and then everyone yells at me and says, that's not it, and I'm like, oh, see, my bad. Okay. Innocent what? Come again? Had a fantastic New York session this morning, or yesterday morning. Now that it's after midnight, everyone might be talking about Dallas, whoop whoop, that's amazing! That is so cool. How's the trucking going? NQNES are respecting payment and using for higher probability today. So Tyson, I did see there we go. I did see on the 15-minute there's a really nice inverse fair value gap at around the 705, is it? Yeah. At around the 705 level. Which it is what I thought I would want to go and grab before potentially shorting. So this felt a little bit rude, but it's okay. Okay, let's also take note of the time. What time is it? Okay, we have 20 minutes until 4. It's always good to keep an eye on the time. Of the Poker Pro Life. The movie Rounders. Now I kind of want to go watch that Price Future. Rounders. Let me save this. And you go 3 times a week. That is really cool. You'd be a great student. David, that's valid. Ooh, Rip, are you offering to train David? Don't trade David. That's rude. That's illegal. Rounders. Cool. Now I kind of want to go watch that. No, come on, PA. We've got this. We've got this. It's gonna be good. Maybe get a trend like yesterday. Trade short the bounce. Samuel? When yesterday? Sorry, let me just... I mean, first of all, it's fine. That will get better. I'm sure. We've got this. Still legal in some... No! What? What? No. No. Classic with Matt Damon. Matt Damon. Maybe I need more coffee. Matt Damon and Ed Norton. Abraham, hi, what's up, by the way? Just tried 2 more drivers, still on. Retire at the end of the year. Then take over the business while I continue. Dallas, that is amazing. Whoop whoop, by the way. That is so cool. Jobu, will I teach you how to trade? Well, I mean, I'm still teaching myself, to be fair. But for anyone that is new that wants to join the Discord, you're more than welcome to. Here we go. Here is the link. Right here. Right there. Have fun. Oh, and just BT dubs. This afternoon's going to be... Yes, I just said BT dubs. Don't judge me. This afternoon is going to be so much fun. I'm going to co-stream with Only True Trader for NFP. It's gonna be great. I'm quite excited for New York session. I think it's gonna be so much fun. I'm gonna co-stream. So there's gonna be 2 people up here analyzing and going through the markets. Like I said, it's gonna be lots of fun. I'm open to be trained by you. There we go. Rip, you have a person. LP is saying hey Kay. I've missed a lot. I'm so sorry. I think I might have seen before trying to trade on Friday. Probably. Wait. Who said that? I'm so sorry. I've missed things. Infamous Eagle. There we go. Welcome, by the way. How are you doing? No, I wasn't here Friday. I only started trading Monday again. So probably was not me. Hope I have a green day today. Same to you. I hope everyone has a green day today. Watch our price will react to midpoint on the 15-minute PPR above those highs. Yeah, those were the ones around the 705 level, right, Tyson? Daddy Pascal, what am I trading? Trading the Nasdaq futures. If I haven't responded to anyone, I do apologize. I'm so sorry. I am attempting to multitask. Attempting being the keyword. I'm not always great at it, but kind of want to take this trade. if I take 1 micro? Or 2? 2 micros. 2 is not a lot. I won't lose a lot. It's a bit of a high resistance level, but I have... the stop's a tiny bit high. 2 is really not a lot though. Sort of thirst in these streams of bad at least. What did I miss? What happened? Boom up. Okay, well, I'm in it. So, whatever happens, happens. Hey Moses, what's up? David, innocent. Solo! It's not cool unless I do it. That is too funny. Let's see. Maybe this was the incorrect... Oh, no, that's not working how I wanted it to. Oh, well. There it goes. Okay, bye. That's why I only put 2 contracts in. I was trying my luck a little bit with this. Oh, shoot. Do you know what I forgot to do? I forgot to look at ES. No. That being said... okay. Either it's a hit or a miss. Hey, Top Shorts, what's up? Whoa. Okay, no, this is out. Done. Well, that was... okay, lesson learned. Stop. Don't do that. NFP bad. Don't do it. Wait. Just wait. Again, there's a reason I only put 2 little contracts in. So I'm only down $35. That's okay. I did like it. It's just really risky when the price action's acting like this. So it's fine. Lesson learned. We move on to the next. Okay, let me take a screenshot. I'll also mention up here. 705. Shoot. I'm also trying to be better with taking the trades, because what I tend to do is overthink everything. I forgot to look at ES, damn it. Oh well, it's fine. David, I had my usual confluences, just like... Good grief, there's a lot of messages. What's up? I still have that 618 level marked out. No, I don't think so. 618. Wasn't it taken, Tyson? Sorry, just asking questions. It's not bad that you're trying taking the shot, be careful where you're in. Rip, I hear you, but wasn't it a good idea of where I wanted it to go? The only problem is I forgot to double check ES. ES is very much going down. That was, you know, here. This equal high, these relative equal highs. And on the 15-minute, looky here. So that's what I was aiming for, actually. You see my TP was literally right on the equal highs. And it bounces right into this imbalance. on the 15-minute. So that was the thought process behind it. So at least I had valid reasoning for it. But I see we are doing... I keep messing this up. It's seek and destroy, search and destroy, seek and destroy. One of them is COD, another one is trading. Point is, it's just going up and straight down. It's taking out everything no matter where I get in right now. So maybe I then just do the opposite. No, that'll be cheeky. Let's not do that. Oh, means wait for time. Oh, my bad. I'm sorry. 1:50 a.m. Yeah, and you just said coffee now. I need some. Bear again. I mean, coffee's not bad. The key level you can buy from there back into Asia. Okay, Tyson, is it a key level forever? Or does it get, like, once it's taken out, it's taken out? Wouldn't that put you in a range? Hey Victor, what's up? Hi damsel. Don't know how I feel about that. Interesting. Anyways. I trade with the account yesterday with... Oh my gosh, Dallas, that's terrifying. Abraham, wouldn't that put you in a range? I hear you. I guess. Yeah, I didn't even really consider that. I just thought I wanted to go to that point to take out before a sell. But it does make sense, especially now, seeming as the charts are kind of waiting for NFP. Yay! And like I said, I should have maybe looked at ES. ES was bearish heavy. I did respect this a tiny bit. Okay. But... okay, I got the silliness out. Now, patience pays, right? Wait for the setup. Wait for the correct opportunity. Who still thinks it's gonna touch this line and then go back up? We need to do is pay with undying love for free. Good grief. Undying love. That level stays. Oh, that's interesting. Okay, 618. 618. I'm gonna mark it out. I'm gonna keep it there forever. 618. Just gonna change it. Gonna name it the Tyson level. I have to mark out some more Bob levels. Ah, okay, I have enough for watch day. Should be fine. Sorry, I know there's a lot of chaos. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to ask about them. I can also turn off the chaos if you want for a little bit. There we go. Stop blinding everyone. Let everyone get an idea of what's happening. Let's try something for NFP. I'm listening. Rip. I'm curious. Infamous Eagle, valid. What stock? I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. And Abraham, you think it's just going to keep ranging for now? Short the highs, long the lows. So wait. Abraham, is that what you do? Banned the grief I'm cooking it. Were a lot of people banned? Sorry, I haven't even focused. You trade to or from that level. Tyson, when I reach 10k subscribers on YouTube, I have permission. Just saying, guys, so if you haven't subscribed, subscribe, because I'm dying to give you guys the secret sauce. The secret sauce is the bob levels. So do you see these shaded areas? Do you see how in general, obviously it's never 100%, nothing is ever 100%, but do you see in general how it goes bob level to bob level? If I go higher up, you can see they just missed it. But yeah, it almost ranges in this level, then straight down. Ranges in this level. Here's the second bob level. I just didn't make a note of it, but it gives you an idea. Bob level, bob level. It's actually bounced off the bob level straight up to the second bob level. It's actually insane. Here, bob level, straight up to bob level. Which I'm just gonna keep calling it the bob level because, you know, credit is due. I'm allowed to give you the secret sauce when we reach 10k subscribers. And those levels stay up forever. Just saying. I'm dying to give people the secret sauce, but only at 10k subscribers. Well, I don't because I haven't backtested it. Oh, interesting. Okay. Anthony, you think up from here, but from what I've seen, that's what happens. Not advice, of course. No, Abraham, 100%. I know some people that do trade like that, and it works for them. I think it could work. I mean, it's like any strategy, right? Some days it's gonna work beautifully. Like today would have worked beautifully. Other days it would not work at all. Coming to your stream. What's your bias for today? Hey, is it Elder Ruffy? Sorry, I don't know if I butchered that. But welcome. My bias for today, long run, is a little bit more to the bear side. But right now it's just ranging. Yeah, right now it's just ranging. So I think it's waiting for NFP. There might be another opportunity a little bit later, so I think there's going to be some more opportunities, hopefully. Could definitely be. But right now it's doing some sad movements, some seek and search and destroy. Seek and destroy. Whatever. I call it sad. Whether it be seek or search, whatever. Where it's just going below a level, taking out liquidity, above a level, taking out liquidity, below a level, taking out liquidity. So this one might go back above the level and take out more liquidity. That, unfortunately for me, doesn't work with my strategy. But, like I said, if this starts to get some decent amount of momentum, we might get something good. We still have plenty of time in the markets to have some awesome opportunities. You're doing the whole Nasdaq. You're probably more knowledgeable than I am. I can only do single stock. Infamous Ego, I appreciate that, but probably not. I feel like I learn things literally every single day. For me, I think it's the most amazing thing about trading. It feels like you enter every single day. And just when you think you're starting to understand, something new happens or something new comes around that you kind of go, oh, okay then. And then you carry on. Abraham, if you zoom out to the 1 hour, what do you see? I'll show you now. M-rated, I'm on the 1 minute right now, but I do look at the higher time frames. Spizzlet, again, I can't share the secret sauce yet. Can't share the secret sauce yet. But no, it's not to do with fair value gaps. There's 85 viewers. Yeah, guys, press that like button. Let's grow this channel. Like I said, this afternoon's going to be so much fun. We have Only True Trader, one of our amazing community members, going to hop on the stream. So it's going to be so much fun. He's super nervous. I think it's adorable. It's going to be awesome. He's going to see that it's not that scary and you guys are actually amazing. You guys are the best community ever. But anyways, I'll stop talking rubbish. Okay. Of course, if that's what you trade, I'm sure people would be. I've moved a lot. Rip, teach my trading note. Ooh, okay. Now I gotta make some rip levels. Oh, interesting, Aldo. What do you trade? If you enter your proper risk management and use encourages a rate drop, you can take that to all-time highs, Tyson. What? I think you'd have to. Holy moly, okay. Give away your network is for what am I trading? Okay, it's not mine for once. I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. Welcome, by the way. Okay, so let me quickly make rip levels. Is it going to be a little screen like Boom Banana? Yeah, Jose. Just, well, yeah, kind of. But yeah, that's the plan. Hey, Lukey, Bull or Bear? I was looking for bulls, but it kept screwing me, so bear. Back to bear. I thought I wanted to at least take out this relative equal high, or now it's more like equal highs, but anyways. So you can see here, Lukey, I even took this trade. I had my confluences. It just went right through them. Oh, watch this now be a perfect freaking setup. Just move that out the way. Ew, sorry, I did that wrong. Would have missed by a tick. That would have sucked. Huh. Anyways, so I'm just gonna put that there. It was in the way. What about you, Lukey? What's your... Look at how the news reacts to those areas. Okay. Okay, wait. Let me quickly make some rip levels. 25859. 859. What? Okay. Damn. Eight, 5, 9. Oh my goodness, I have to scroll up. Give me a second. Just gonna go in, then I keep it up. 859.25. Okay. Here's one rip level. Second one is 25826.50. Eight, 2, 6. Cool. And then to the downside, 499. Wee. Wee. 4. Good grief. Good grief. Okay. Cool. Cool. 499 on the dot. And 466 on the dot. Okay. Done. Wow, rude. Okay then. Wouldn't have tagged me in, then would have gone all the way down there. How disrespectful, but whatever. Okay, and back. Sorry, just had to sort that out. What strategy do I trade? Dallas, am I what? Sorry. Mr. Spy, what's up? So I'm trading Nasdaq futures. What strategy do I use? It's market auction theory mixed with ICT and SMC confluences. Yeah. That's like the super short and sweet of it. I hope that kind of answered some questions. Oh, cheers, Abraham. See you later for New York session. Dallas, looks like you're describing accumulation, markup distribution, thrust and markdown, as you called it, the bob level. Basically, well, not quite. And like I said, these levels stay forever, and you can predict them into all-time highs as well. Like I said, they're amazing. So 10k subs and secret sauce will be spilled. Just saying. You ended the session with a bull bias yesterday. Okay, Lukey. Short now till take now. Stop loss. What time do you finish trading, Lukey? Anyways, make that like a bob level, not a line. Oh! So that whole level from those two, you want to see how they respect one another? Yeah? Okay. Hey, Linda. No. Hey, Murph, what's up? How's it going? Aw. Well, you know what, Murph? I'm having a win just because you joined. To be fair, I'm having a win just because all you guys joined, but no. I had a little loss, unfortunately. Like I said, I only put 2 contracts in because the price action is not great before NFP, but it seems to be working out a little bit better now. Let's see how it reacts at this little trend line. I don't actually use trend lines. I sometimes use it as a bit of a... Well, okay. Let's rather say I'm forward testing them. I'm curious about them. But we are going. But no. So like I said, I'm at that stage where it feels like it's 2 steps forward, 1 step back. But at least we're taking a step forward. Right? Yes. Sorry. Done. Hey, Tyler Ballard. What's up? Backup count. Hi. Market action is in supply and demand yet. Tyler, you know what? I can't complain. I'm doing good. Pizza sauce. I love, well, yeah, pizza sauce is the bestest. But anyways. Before market close, I stopped trading. Okay, Luke. I mean, that's not bad, but you stay in the whole time. I can tell what confluence that made to place that trade that ended up in... Oh, sure. James, so, like I said, I needed 3 confluences. Unfortunately, this is where biases sometimes screw me. I'm sure it's a thing that happens. I need to learn to, as Rip would say, be like water, right? Yes? Yes, be like water. Be able to go with the flow. So, I had this nice inverse fair value gap here, number 1. Fair value gap right by entry. Number 2, it would have taken out a little bit of liquidity to help move potentially to the buy. This was my thinking, okay, with this trade. This was my thought process of why I thought potentially it could be a win. The aim, you can even see TP sits directly above this liquidity here, and above this is a really nice fair value gap on the 15-minute chart. And it's been really respecting the higher time frames, especially the 15-minute chart today. So that was the thought behind it. So I had 1, 2, VWAP, okay. I was pushing it with VWAP. You can see stop loss is basically on VWAP, but VWAP was there, and 3 there was... No, wait, what was 3? Oh, I had 1 more. Oh shoot, maybe I didn't. Maybe this was just a B setup and I liked that it had to go for, well, didn't have to. But I expected it to go to the higher time frames. That's not what I meant to say. I expected it to go for the equal highs. That's it. So that was with this trade. Oh, and it had a little bit of a change of character here, so I expected it to maybe then go and break structure and continue to the buy side. But, like I said, it's okay. Lesson, it's never a loss, it's always a lesson. It's why I only placed 2 contracts on a very itty bitty, I mean, how big is this? Say 9 point. So I only lost $35 for that reason. That you could see I was a bit like, yeah, because the price action's a little bit all over the place. Miss Eagle, your bottom line looks spot right. Nice! Looks like QQQ looks like it can go lower before a bounce. Oh, hi everybody. Welcome, welcome. Hoffman and Dollar. Hi. Have you ever traded a split screen with 1 minute time frame on one and 100 tick on the other? Dallas, that's interesting. No. I have not. Huh. I have not. I've tried to... Oh, I also made the mistake with this one. I forgot to check ES. So if you see ES here, was around where I entered. And you can see that ES had proper momentum to the sell side. Like I said, never a loss, always a lesson. Over the month and going down. Oh, go with short TP. 400 missed this by down. Gold and silver breaking out, Jose. That's interesting. Shorted gold, copper, and silver yesterday. Made about 4K. Too bad it was a demo. Oh, Murph, no. No, I'm so sorry. That... It's... How do I put this? It's quite... I don't want to say it's easy doing it on a demo account, because I don't think trading is ever... Could ever call it easy. It's where the psychology comes into play, right? Okay, but... Just for anyone that is new, welcome. Why is it not working? Why are we being silly? There we go. Sorry. For anyone that is new, welcome. I hope you guys have fun. Please don't forget to press that little like button. Let's grow this amazing community. There is the Discord. If you guys want me to drop the link in the chat, let me know. I can drop it quickly. I don't mind, especially now that we are low-key barcoding. And yeah, like I said, if you want discounts on any of the prop firms, in my description below. And as you can see here, there's awesome offers going on at the moment. I'll double check the 91% off. Silver Bullet Trader said apparently it didn't work. I'm gonna double check that. But yeah, if you guys want some awesome discounts, you can use my code TeachMaya E. Okay, that's like my spiel done, sorry. Now we go back to the trading. I'm excited. We've got this. Okay, Lukey, you changed your time frame from 3 minute to 30 minute. Big recommendation. That... Interesting, Lukey, why? Like, what was the change you saw? Sorry, maybe that's like a dumb question, but you know. Hey, is it Wayne or Vaynard? I'm assuming it's Wayne. What's up? M-rated, typical London session fig. I got you. Normally I only put my TP in line with the most recent high. No, already London session push. Price just likes to hit liquidity before reversing during London. M-rated? Yes and no. So hear me out. Hear me out. I know a lot of people have a little bit of hate when it comes to London. I mean, my session during London yesterday was amazing. I had 2 wins. It was a really good London session for me yesterday. I'm assuming it's just kind of meh right now because NFP is happening later, which is gonna be good, I think. High impact here, cool. Yeah. Okay, so we have some news later. It's gonna be great. Murph, do you and Wayne know each other? Wait, only true trader, what happened? Not me making sure I know how to run. Only true trader? You've got this. Are you nervous? You're gonna have so much fun. Hey Sage, what's up? It's Wayne D. Wolf. Noted. Got it. Miss Eagle, did I enter that last load? Nope. I did not. Less trades a day equal PR. How long? Oh, yeah. How long do your trades take though, Dookie? Are you doing more like swing trading now than anything else? Okay, got it. Rip. I'll do it now. Lalesh, hi. I'm just let's respond to all the messages. Hey to everyone that is new. Welcome, welcome. I want to say welcome to the chaos, but it's not too chaotic today, thank heavens. That being said, here we go. Didn't quite touch this trend line though. Again, no one tell Geordie. Geordie's gonna yell at me. I can't call it trend line. We're gonna have to call it something else. Just that Geordie doesn't, he refused to come back onto the stream. He'll be like, absolutely not. Your plan, excited to see you in action, but remember, it's not required. Hey Tony, what's up? I'm new here. What do you guys? Opinions on Bitcoin and precious metals. Ooh, Hellrider, welcome by the way. So I don't trade those, but I know a few people that do. There's a few people on here actually that do. Who trades the gold and silver? There's a lot of people that trade gold and silver, and they really enjoy it. I've tried to trade gold before. It feels foreign to me, but I think it's just because I've always stuck with the Nasdaq futures. So it felt very, I just want to say intimidating. I don't think that's the right word, but yeah, maybe it's the right word. But I have traded it a few times. Actually, how does gold look? Sorry, on that note, let's have a quick look at gold. Do we have some decent, oh damn. Saying that, I mean, check here. That would have been a freaking awesome trade. But I mean, everything's super easy in hindsight, right? This wouldn't have come to tag me in. Nah, that just went all the way up. Probably wouldn't have taken it if VWAP was there regardless. Damn, gold is kind of popping off. Sure, who's trading gold right now? Yeah, definitely be taking dumb trades. Who knows? Only true trader? What? No pressure. Damn. Why are you putting the pressure on me? The pressure's supposed to be on you. Just saying. You go for it. Wow, David. Now you're coming with a blackmail. Close before Asia open. Yeah. Oh, cool. Okay, Lukey. But that's awesome. And if it's working for you, then who cares? Meaning how big of a move you go for. Okay. What's the difference between? Sorry. Shush, please. Harry, come. You're okay. The pool guy's like. Harry's on I don't want to say attack mode, but oh my god. Okay, we're good. Done. Okay, so here's gold. Like I was saying, this would have been an awesome win. That one wouldn't have even tagged me in. Let's see about this, just purely out of curiosity. Someone asked about gold, if it's because of the I'm just gonna say the politics. Let's keep this PG. Would I have taken this now that it's just taken out relative equal highs? It's a little bit more risky. You might want to take from further down, but let's see. Like I said, I don't know gold. With NQ, it's what I would probably prefer to do. Let's see if that works. Okay, let's go check out, oopsies, MNQ again. Just ignore him, I'm so sorry. But who said I must introduce him? I will ask him to come here now. He's just not focused. Harry, come here. Hey fish, what's up? I do the Nasdaq futures. Come here. No, people want to say hi to you. This is Perry. Say hi. Oh, okay. So this is Perry. Hello, bud. Oh, he's my good god dog, and he helps with the trading. I've asked him for signals. He's never been correct, so whatever he says, do the opposite. I usually see gold as a sell now. Interesting. Why is that, Laura? What is your Discord? I don't actually trade prop firm, but a couple of the guys am tracking. Oh, thanks, Dallas. Yeah, it's Teach Maya. Just capital Teach Maya. Yeah, that would be amazing. Thank you. I appreciate it. Vilesh, security. Honestly, he's on it. I'm so sorry. I see I have missed a few things. Give me 2 seconds. What's the moving? Oh, I'm not using one. Just saying. So someone also asked about what I have up. I don't have much up, but I need to. Good grief. There's a... Whose level was this again? Was that DeMonte's level? I think that was DeMonte's level. Sorry. Do you see? I really do listen to you guys, and I even try and place your levels so I can see how it reacts. Because it's always super interesting to see what other people see and how they got to those levels. So, DeMonte's, it makes sense. It's right by Asia Low. This is a Tyson level, and he says this one never goes away. I'm very curious to see what happens there. Like I said, the Bob levels are just really cool. And anyways, this is not the one for level, and usually gold for the market opened. Ask ChatGPT. I mean, interesting. Yes, no, I'm not going to be jumping in a green pool again. Thank you very much. I still have those damn photos. David, you probably wanting to make me do that again, to be fair. I just washed my hair. Don't make me do it again. Okay, here are them rippy levels. Okay. Here's one. Here's two. Like I said, for me, trading, you are constantly learning things. And I think that is amazing. And the more you know, the more you have in storage. I don't think that's the right way of saying it, but you know, the more information you have in your back pocket, maybe that's a better way of saying it, the better equipped you are. But hi, what's up? Oh my goodness. Did you come and say hi? Hello! I'm here to critique your system and judge all your trades because I mastered international trading law. No. Milky Way Buddha, that's valid. I understand. I understand. I get it. I get it. What am I supposed to do? You know, but no deal. Fine. If you got my indication, pay the duck here. Ah, shoot. 4 took out the lows and is now gonna go up. What indication did you get, Fripp? Was it that? It was the 4, wasn't it? I'm so sorry, please don't let me roll on your tail. Okay, we're good. We're okay. So 4 was there, it then went to take out the lows and is now reversing back up, correct? Yeah. You post, I'll share my iced coffee with you. Oh, deal. Iced coffee is amazing. No, I've just never even... Yeah, I've never... Sorry, Milky Way Buddha, do they bug you? Do you use them? The relative equal highs. I mean, I've been taking note of them. Like I said, they are what I was waiting for this freaking market to take earlier. Right by my damn TP. Clearly I was just a little bit too early with it. You want to trade, pay yourself here, it's a must. Okay, well, let's see here. Where would I have even drawn this range? There was no A+ setup for me here, unfortunately. How disappointing. And there was that and that. Oh, are you talking about these relative equal highs? I mean, they're not... I mean, did they count? But these definitely. Oh! Damn, that's actually a really big one. Oh, it just disrespected it completely. Huh. Wow, it just went right through that. Okay, but at least we have... See, why couldn't you have done that earlier? That's just, it feels like... I had the right idea, I was just too early. No train today, thank you. No, nothing right now, Lalesh, but it's okay. Enter the short now. Break of structure. Tony, I think it's gonna break the relative equal highs first. There we go. Pop into 705 there. And Whoa. Potentially go short now, but maybe not. Oh, there's a bob level up above. Let's see. It's actually showing a lie detect. Closely when you marked your range. Mm-hmm. Got a little bit stuck here, refused to go through. Got stuck between those two. Okay, okay. Like I said, the more you know. Sorry, I'm low-key talking to myself. Bollocks, what's up? How's it going? Yeah, guys, don't forget to press that little holy cow like button. Sorry. I feel like it's just been waiting to do this the whole session. Okay, that we might have an opportunity over here. Potentially. Huh. What the heck, man? Why didn't you do this earlier? That would have been so much nicer of you. Rude. Spiz, do I journal? I do. Yes, I do. Because time is the factor. True. Hey, Sparrows, what's up? Stop. Rip, where was your TP? With the relative equal high as your TP? Hey. You can't sell mostly design in a way that makes people lose money in the market. Wayne, interesting. What, or how do you trade? Guys, do you guys want to hear the chaos? This is the chaos. I'm not even gonna bother speaking. He's just gonna keep interrupting me until they go, which is now. Okay, they're gone. Okay, you done? Are you done? Come here. Come here. Tell everyone. Nope. Nope. No. 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 Come here. Hello. What's up? Every price move has a logic and emotion behind it. Nothing is random. It's always there. Oh, notice the fake market structure shift before the real one without hitting the key level. Okay. Hello. Wasn't that just to get people out, Wayne? Now you got me asking all the questions. Price moves from PD rate to PD rate on the higher time frame. That sounds good. They pull you back from mental spirals. I mean, Lalesh. When you're gonna be speaking facts, you're gonna be speaking facts. Hey DT, I'm using the 1 minute time frame. Welcome, by the way. Hey Kiri. Well, no, to be fair, he's just barking at people. Those of you curious about the bob level, can we just say? Look at this. Anyways, sugar honey iced tea. Now this has gone to a point where I wanted it to go, but didn't have any pullback for it to come back to get me. So I'm kind of curious about something. Oh. I mean, it would have just worked. I would have been super stressed. But it would have worked. Super stressed. No, wait, I lie. If I'd followed it there, I would have been tagged in here. It would have gone back up. And then proceeded back down. Nope, that actually would have been a loss in the long run. Unless I left it alone completely. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. My bad, I'm gonna be in trouble. So, Wayne, I'm assuming you trade ICT, right? ICT is your preferred method, if you will. Okay, we might have a really good opportunity here. Also, Wayne, how long have you been trading for? How long has everyone been trading for? Let's do a recap on 2026 for everyone that's new. Again, welcome. So I haven't even been trading for a year yet. How's everyone else doing? Yeah, how's everyone else doing? How long has everyone else been trading for? Apart from David, I know David is 0. But yeah, only true trader, you're on 1 year. Nice. Alright, if there is a pullback to support and continue upwards, what do you think? Lalesh, I was looking at that. I don't think there's going to be a pullback. And if it takes out Asia high, it might just continue back up there. Okay, again, for those that were listening, Bob level. It messed around a lot in between, but Bob level to Bob level. These levels are actually insanity. I need to maybe come up with a good trading strategy for these levels, because that could be quite nice. Wait, only true trader? I thought you've been trading longer than a year. So Wayne, 5+ years and profitable, I'm assuming. Dallas using the fib tool. Rip, that was me. Why was it mean? 6 years. Oh damn. Chris, so 6 years. David is 0. Welcome to the gym. Me around. Wow. Hey Austin, what's up? How's it going? 3 years ongoing. Damn, Spiz. Okay, and how's it going for you? Sorry, this is also for everyone that's new. Gold or Bitcoin? Oh, sorry, Sterling. This is Nasdaq futures. Welcome, by the way. Austin, you made mine. Oh, whoop whoop, Austin! That's amazing! Well done! Oh, you took it serious last year. Okay, so how long have you been trading, like, grand total for? Only true. I still am negative. That's okay, though. A win's a win. Right? I had a little loss earlier today. Ugh, you know, things happen. It's fine. There's always another trade. Pick up, move on to the next. As long as you learn to lesson from that trade, then you just continue. 5 years since I was 15. Oh, there we go. Okay. It's the only way we learn how to. Sterling, I'm assuming you trade gold or Bitcoin, right? Andre, what's up? Yeah, no, we're good. Aww. I'm curious about this. Ooh, actually. So, I mean, if it comes back this far. What does this look like on the higher time frames? 5 minute. 15 minute. Just blew right through that one, so that didn't quite go how I thought it would. Cool. 1 hour. This still kind of looks like it's coiling a little bit, but it's fine. 4 hours. We haven't broken there. Okay, cool. Back to the 1 minute. Let's do this thing. Only true trader, you swear if it rains today. Why? Why? Rip, guess that's why I'm the lucky duck. Exactly. Rip is definitely the lucky duck of the group. I'm the silly goose that's still learning things. It's okay. I will proudly be the silly goose. Any day, you know? Silly goose for life. Gotta love it. No, not for life. Silly goose to transform into a lucky duck. Sorry, it's low-key inside jokes. It's just, you know, if you do silly things like I do, and you want to become a lucky duck. Because that would be, you know.
Nice.
Sorry. Says it didn't see it on the horizontal. That would be. Okay.
Nice.
There you go. Sorry. Okay, only true trader. Why? Please explain why you would be cooked if it rains heavy. Hey, Justice, what's up? I use market auction theory mixed with some ICT and SMC confluences. Sorry, that was like a very quick explanation, but I hope that kind of gives you an idea. Q is good for you. A win is a blueprint on what to repeat. A loss is a lesson on what to avoid. Wayne, exactly. You want to clear it up? Go to settings. Pull a chart value box. Huh. Thanks, Milky Way Buddha. Does anyone use this? I didn't even clock it. Do some people use this for... I don't even know. Out of curiosity. Win, journal, repeat, loss, journal, and avoid. Missed move, journal, and capitalize next time. Oh, Wayne, I have way too many freaking missed opportunities that I don't take. It bounced off there on ES. Was it just collecting all that volume for that little spike up? And now it's done. No, let's not be negative. It might not be done. It still could present something really good for us. How big is this trade? $15. I mean, this is still rather small. I say small. It's small. Soon you'll be the goose that lays the golden egg. Jose, I love that. From there, just either. Damn, David. Hey John, what's up? How's it going? Wait. Rip? Seriously? I nearly choked on my freaking coffee again reading that. Seriously, you need to stop trying to kill me on the live streams. People are gonna think you have something against me, which is mean. But anyways. What is he talking about? She's not overtraining, being patient. Dallas who? Who said I'm overtrading? I'm sorry, I missed that. Oh, but also, thanks Dallas, I appreciate that. So, Dallas, I think it sounds like you're doing a whole lot better than I am, and I think you've been trading for less time than me. Right? Correct me if I'm wrong. How long have you been trading for, Dallas? Good grief. Okay. I don't think this is going to come as far down as I wanted to. It bounced off of that range on ES. I think it's going to continue to the buy side now. Cool. I need to write down the list, have it on sticky notes, and as things start happening, I'm just going to start dunking them on my forehead. We can share. Wow. Okay. What's up? This might come get me back. Okay, I'm holding out hope. No, hope is the wrong word. Is it the wrong word? Okay, let's have... I was going to say a game plan, but I can't really have too much of a game plan, seeming as Ashley, or as you know him, Only True Trader, shall be joining for the New York sessions. It'll freak out Ashley, and I think that'll be so funny. No, I'm joking. I'm completely messing with you, Only True Trader. You know I have mad love for you. Believe me, when I started streaming live, I was terrified. Terrified. Absolutely terrified. Guru James, what's up? How many trades you usually take per day? Oh, Guru James, I really think it depends on the day. Like today, it's been kind of all over the place. I took one, you know, mistake. Oh well. I mean, yesterday I took 3 trades. I took 2 during London, 1 during New York. Some days I can take up to 4 trades. I think it really depends on the market and what opportunities present themselves. And if those opportunities work for your setup. I know some people that in a market like this, they love it and they could take like the 5 to 6 trades off of this. I know some people that only take like maybe 1 trade a week type of situation. So I think it really all depends on, number 1, the market and the price action of that day, and number 2, your strategy and if an A+ setup presents itself. So I'm hoping that New York has a little bit more, I don't want to say volatility, momentum, that now that NFP is going to happen, and then we can just go from there. So day has come. Hey, hi life. Heck yeah. Good luck. Aw, thanks Orange Sunrise, you're so sweet. True, true. Only True Trader, you've got this. Rail, what's up? How's it going? I took one. Yeah. Kiwi Steve! Hi! Wayne? Wait, me or Only True Trader? Who are you talking about? I'm hoping you meaning me. Thanks. Thanks, Wayne. And hopefully I'll see you later. You trade New York session. Who here trades Rius? There we go. Have I got competition? Nice. Oh no, Wi-Fi is having a moment. I'm so sorry. Okay. Okay. Cool. Hey, Omzi, what's up? Go for the throat. Hi, Alvia. What do you mean? What do you mean? Just wasn't here during December, but otherwise, you can always count on me to be here, except for next week, Friday. But otherwise, you can always count on me to be here. Lekker ding. Go for the throat. Hoe gaan dit? Vincent, hi. I'm on 29 subs. Oh, only true trader? Look at you go. Really? Is gold so slow? I mean, to be fair, Laura, right now, all the markets are slow. I say all, like I've been checking all of them. I looked at gold earlier. Shall we see if this gold worked out, quick sticks? I don't think, well, no, let's stop being negative, right? Need to start being a little bit more positive when it comes to myself. Come, Wi-Fi, please. Focus. Okay, maybe not. Maybe we're not checking out anything. Oh, thanks, Rip. Maybe you need to learn violin. And you're just gonna send me some sad violin music. Only true trader? I think I need to try and find some sad violin music now, specifically for Rip. Oh, Kiwi Steve, sorry, I didn't see your message. How's my trading going? It's going good. The way I have described my trading right now is it feels like it's 2 steps forward, 1 step back, but at least we're going forward just slowly. I mean, yesterday was awesome. 3 trades, 2 wins, 1 loss. I mean, today the price action hasn't been ideal, so it was a little... But I only placed 2 contracts because the price action wasn't ideal. And that's fine. Well, I have more and I'm not even a crit. What? How? Heck yeah. Oh, damn. Okay, so a lot of people trade New York. Well, then, in that case, guys, like I said, you all must come join this stream this afternoon. It's gonna be lots of fun. I'm gonna be here making Ashley super uncomfortable. You guys can join me. Make him super uncomfortable. Let's see how shy we can get. No, joking. I'm totally messing with you. I'm totally messing with you. We're not gonna do that to Ashley. We're here because we love and support. But yeah. On that note, this kind of looks like a 3-tap. Or double tap, whatever you want to call it. Okay. I don't think this is going anywhere, and I think I'm going to do something dumb if I continue. So, on that note, I'm going to call it here for today. Well, not today. I'm going to call it here for the London session. Gonna go touch some grass, ride some horses, just go chill. I will be back for New York with Only True Trader. It's going to be awesome, guys. I will see you there. Mad love for all of you. See you for the New York Open. Yeah?